Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a repository in GitHub Desktop. Before we can open a repository in GitHub Desktop, let's make sure we're connected to the GitHub account and that repository is cloned into the app. First off, open the GitHub Desktop app and in the top left in the file, go and click to Options. And in here, you can sign in to GitHub and you'll log in via browser. It'll be quick since it'll just ask for authorization. Once you're done with that, here's how to open a repo in GitHub. To open a repository in GitHub Desktop, launch the app and click File, and then clone repository. Since you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see all of the repositories in that account. Choose any of the repos here that you want to clone, and make sure that the directory or local path is a completely empty file, and simply just press Clone. Give it some time, and then you have successfully cloned your repository. Now just simply click that repository that you recently cloned. And in the center right here, click Open in Visual Studio Code. And now you have successfully cloned and opened your repository in GitHub Desktop.